So hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Well, myself Virat and you're watching Virat Creates. In a while I've uploaded plenty of videos related to art and paintings, so I thought I should start making drawing tutorials. And for that I created a course on this channel. In that I'm going to show you how to draw sketches, how to use colors and step by step guide. And I know that my microphone is probably blasting right now because my microphone was taken by a smooth criminal. And of course, you guys being beware of the title and thumbnail that in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial of drawing Michael Jackson. Before coming back to the topic, let me remind and tell you that I don't have any experience of explaining my art, and also no sponsors are included in this video. And just like that, let us start the video. Okay, so first of all we have to download this app, then clicking the plus icon and importing a photo of Michael. I'm choosing his photo of 1984. By clicking on this icon you can make grids like this. Clicking on the plus icon you can increase the grids. Now on the canvas or paper you can choose any type of grid size. For example, I'm making grids of 2 centimeters. For making the grids, mark the grid size as shown in the video so that it won't get messy while making the grids manually after that. Just like that, make grids on the other side. Okay, so now I've set the grids of 17 by 14 right here. You can make it less or more. In some cases like this one, grids don't fully covers the sheet or the canvas. Have to crop it like this. Can be possible if you are using a different type of canvas or sheet. Then we have to make grids manually. The main thing about using grids to draw is that you just have to follow the grids and make the outline. So now if you have another device, then you can use the grid method on that using this app, or just follow the steps in this video. So now I am starting from his hair. We can choose from where to start, like from which grid or segment, because for now in this video we are starting from the up, like from his hair. So now we have to keep going using the other device which is showing the pictures with the grids.
Can you spin with a grin? Meet MJ's feet, spin and grin. Feel the heat. Meet MJ's feet, moonwalk. Feel the beat, MJ's heat, MJ's feet. You can moonwalk and spin. You can move. Okay, maybe MJ would approve, but can you defy gravity? MJ's lean, build truck route.
Okay, so this video is ended, but before going, do the following things.